First of all, open up a browser. Here I'm using Brave. Now type instawp.com. Once you are on the site, you can go through all the features of Instawp. For now, let us see how to create a temporary WordPress site for free. Go to the top and click Try WordPress Sandbox. Then you will be redirected to the new page. Here you can either keep all the settings as is they are or change them accordingly. I'm changing the name, but you can keep it as it is. You can also create an account on Instawp to get some extra features. Now click on Launch your site instantly. Now wait for a moment. You should copy or save the site details just in case. This site will be live for 8 hours. Keep that in mind. Now click on the one-click login to your site and you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard and you're done.